In this video, I will show you how to change display language in Google Maps. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your map. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on app and display. Then go ahead and click on app language. So from here, you have so many other languages right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available language right here. To switch to whatever language right here, just click on the language and then click on accept, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use Google Maps, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.